Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simple Short Smart. Today we are going to see how to identify duplicate details in Excel sheet and how to remove this same from Excel sheet. So it is explained clearly, so watch the video till end, so it will be useful for you. So let's catch up the video.
Hello friends, today we are going to see how to remove duplicates from the Excel column or rows or in Excel sheets. So this is a simple process. Don't skip the process and watch the video till end, so it will be useful for you to understand how to remove duplicates from Excel sheet. So just I have filled some of the data for your understanding, and I need to remove duplicates from this B column. So just select the B column and just go to the option home. So under option home you will have an option conditional formatting. Just click the conditional formatting option and click on highlight cell rules. So on clicking it you will get another option and you have to select duplicate values. So once you select the duplicate values, you have to select duplicate option in this drop down, and you can just highlight the duplicate values as per your wish and as per your color. So I am selecting this option and making it OK. So once I select the OK, so it has clearly displayed the duplicate values. Means that there are 3 cells with name Raju. So this is the duplicate and we have identified it, and we have to remove these duplicates within a fraction of seconds. So if you are having a Excel sheet with 10,000, 20,000 line items, so this process will help you to remove the duplicates in a simple and easiest way. So just select the B column and just go to the option data. So under data you will be having an option remove duplicates. Click on the remove duplicates option. Once you click on the remove duplicates option, such pop-up will be displayed and you can just expand the selection, or if you have already selected the data you can click this option. Continue with the current selection and just click remove duplicates. Once you click the remove duplicates option, so it will just ask to select the entire data or you can go with your current data. I am selecting the current data as column B because it is in column B, and just press the OK button. Once you press this OK button, so immediately 2 duplicates are removed from that column and they got disappeared. So once you press this OK option, so that duplicate from this column is removed and we are having the exact data with us. I hope with this video you have understood how to remove duplicate values from Excel sheet. If you found this video interesting, please like us and share with your friends, and if you have any queries, please comment to us. And don't forget to press subscribe and bell icon, as it will be helping you to get notifications of our future videos. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. Have a pleasant day. Wonderful day.